How to fix Blink Sync module flashing blue light. If your Blink Sync module is flashing blue, you can try these steps. First of all, unplug the sync module for 10 seconds and then plug it back in. Unplug the router for 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Then disconnect any extenders or ports and make sure only the main router is powered on. Then press and hold the reset button on the sync module with a small pointed object for 5 seconds. Release the button when the red LED starts flashing. A blinking blue and solid green LED indicates that the sync module is ready for setup. By following these steps, you can easily fix blink sync module flashing blue light.